ISU Auto Tech was helpful in shaping the outlook as a technician. You have the advantage of knowing the 8 areas of automotive.
The students will start with systems on the car and then tearing apart engines, rebuilding them.
They teach you everything, the ins and outs. Being in a shop like this helps a lot when you get to work on a car and you can really see for yourself.
You know, a lot of students will try a 4-year degree and don't really like the book work, but love working with their hands, and that's kind of what our program is all about.
I started coming to class. I was looking forward to being around all my peers and instructors and just getting to learn.
I started off as a lube tech, and I was there for about a year. I came back into the back shop and I played apprentice for a while. I got to learn my dealership from being a lube tech, and I worked my way up to master diagnostic technician, which means I do diagnostics, I do repairs, I do maintenance, I do a little bit of everything.
If you're wanting to get into the automotive field, this is the best opportunity to do so. If it's something you're interested in, you should definitely take a tour.
This career is constantly changing, constantly evolving, but man, is it worth it when you fix something.